Hi there and welcome to this lecture. As I told you before, using a video for your ad is extremely important because people like video more than photos. They interact with them more and they engage with them more. That's why I highly recommend you to use videos in your ads. I know you are not going to design videos for each of your products. That's why when you find a winner product or when you think that a product is really very strong and it's really going to make money, you can put some time and some effort into designing a video for this product. So we are going back to our apple peeler product and we are going to design a video for this product. In AliExpress here we can find a video of this product. I don't recommend you to use this video only. I recommend you to go and search on YouTube for different videos of this same product and use them, combine them and create your own video. Why? Because each dropshipper who's going to dropship this item and who's going to sell this product is going to use the same video that's in here on AliExpress. And if you want to stand out and if you want to be different, you should have a different video, you should have a different ad. That's why I recommend you to design your own video. You can add expressions, you can add emoticons, you can add your logo, you can cut and combine different videos and create an awesome video that's really very attractive. That's exactly what I'm going to teach you in this lecture. That's why focus on this lecture, get your pen and paper and see how I'm going to design an awesome video for our apple peeler product. So the first thing I'm going to do is to go to YouTube and I'm going to search for different videos for the same product. So I'm going here to write apple peeler and I'm going to check what kind of results I can find. So for example, this is our apple peeler. We can check this video, for example. This is here the same apple peeler also. This is also the same apple peeler. I have to silence all of them so we don't have to listen to all of this. Anyway, here we have different videos. You can scroll and watch several videos and choose between them. Here is another one, for example. The resolution is not that good, so I'm not going to use it. There are several ones you can pick, watch all of them, check out what's better for you, what videos you love, what videos you think that will be helpful for your own video. And after choosing the videos you want to work with, you have to go to the channel and to ask the channel owner permission to use his video. Don't use any video if you don't have permissions. I highly recommend you to ask for permission before using any video from YouTube. The video in here that's inside AliExpress, the one of the supplier, you can use it. Most probably the supplier will not really mind because you are going to sell his product, you are going to make him money, so the supplier will not mind you using his video. To record the video from AliExpress supplier, I use a small software that's called Screen Presso Free. It's a free software. You can download it from Google from here. It's a 100% free software. You just have to download it on your PC and it will be there to record your screen, to get you screenshots, everything. I'm going to use it here to record the video from the supplier. So I just have to click in here and to click on capture, and I want to click on record video. You can change the size of your recording. I'm going to keep the same size as the AliExpress video, and I'm going to click here on recording, and once recording is started I'm going to click on play. So now the software is recording the video. When it's finished, I will have a version of this video. It will not be great, it will not have a great resolution, but it's a resolution that you can work with. You can always contact the supplier and ask for the video. I don't think that the supplier will mind. At the end you are making him money, so he will be more than happy to help you. So then this way you can record this video. It's almost finished and yeah, it's finished. So I'm going here, I'm going to right click, and I'm going to click on stop recording. So now my video have been recorded. This is my video. I'm going to save this one, and this is it. So now I have the video in here recorded and save it to my PC. Now, after choosing your YouTube videos, the videos you want to work with, and after getting permissions, you have to download these videos from YouTube. It's super simple. You go in Google and you write download. It's that simple. You choose any of the links. You can choose this one, for example. You can pick, for example, this video from here. You copy the link, you paste it in here, you click on start, and you choose to download the video. So I have already chosen the videos I want to work with them, and I have already downloaded them, and now I'm going to show you how I'm going to use them to design my product video using Camtasia. This is the software I use to design videos. So I have did my research, and I have did my digging on Google, on YouTube, and I have chosen these 4 videos to work with. You can choose different videos if you want. You can choose any video you like. It's up to you. Do your research, search for the better videos with the better resolution. It's up to you. Now I'm going to show you how I'm going to use Camtasia to design the perfect video for my product ad. Now I'm going to Camtasia. This is Camtasia. When you want to start working with Camtasia, there are a few things that you should be a little bit familiar with. This is the Camtasia dashboard. It's super easy. Here you have the file section if you want to change your product settings, like the size and everything. Here you have the edit. Here you have the modify. Here you have the view, the share, and the help. I'm going to tell you how you are going to use each one of them through this lecture. In here you have the media. The media are all the inputs or the things you are going to use within this video. So if I'm going to use a video, I'm going to use an image, I want to use music, I should be importing these medias in here. I'm also going to show you how we are going to do that. Library, it's the library of Camtasia, the one that comes with Camtasia. Annotation, these are the text, the arrows, the blur effect, everything related to animation and annotation within Camtasia. Here you have the transitions. Transitions are the animations you use between one scene of your video and another scene of your video. We are not going to use that much in our video, but for general, this is the use of transitions. Here are behaviors for animation also, and here you have animation. This is if you want to do zoom in, zoom out. This is the audio effect if you want to change the audio effect of your video. This is visual effect if you want to add shadow or maybe border or colorize or maybe change the speed of your video. And here you have what else, captions if you want to add captions. So this is your workspace, this is your video, and this is the place where you are going to put your medias and you are going to change them. This is a timeline in here, and these are your tracks. You are building tracks one over the other to build your own video. So I'm going to media in here, and I'm going to import the videos I have chosen to work with. So I have imported my 4 videos, and now I'm going to show you how to work with them. So before starting, I want to build the structure of my video. My gadget is an apple peeler, so I'm going to design my video over 3 different steps. The first step, I'm going to show my audience how to put the apple in the fork, how to put the apple in the apple peeler. In the second step, I'm going to show my audience how this apple peeler works, the function of this apple peeler. And in the third step, I'm going to show my audience the end results. And results are very important because they show your audience why they should be buying your product. So I'm going to respect this structure in building my video, and for the first step I'm going to gather different scenes showing someone putting the apple on the fork, putting the apple inside the apple peeler. So I'm going to start with the first video. This is a video that I have downloaded from YouTube as I have showed you before. So I'm going to just click on it and drag it in here. So I have created my first track. So I'm going to remove the sound. Perfect. So now I'm going to click on play. Remember, the first scene should be the scene of someone putting the apple on the fork or putting the apple inside of the apple peeler. So I'm going to watch it and wait until I find the scene. Here, this video shows us how to install the apple peeler. I'm not going to show that in my ad because it's boring and no one really wants to see that. Everyone wants to see how the apple peeler works. So I'm going to scroll and okay, this is the scene. This is when she puts the apple inside of the apple peeler. So I'm going in here. I want to trim all this area, so I click on this green tick from here and I just move it like this, and in here I click on this, I cut this section. So I'm going to watch it. She's putting the apple peeler like this. Perfect. And this is it. So now I'm going to go back in here like this, and I'm going to click in here to cut my video, to divide my video over two. So I'm going to keep the first section and I'm going to keep this section for later. I'm going to my second video in here. I'm also going to drag it. I'm going to put it above this one because it's larger than this small distance in here. So I'm going to check out what I find inside of this video. So okay, so this is someone putting the apple in here. So I'm going to do the same thing, or I can simply click in here, divide the video and delete this section, and I'm going to work like this until okay. So this is the scene I want, and I'm going to keep that for later. I'm going to bring the third video and I'm going to see if I have the scene I need and I want. Still nothing. I can scroll like this and remove this area also if I want. So still nothing. Let me move it like this. It's showing us the function of this apple peeler. So I'm going to, okay, so this is our scene. Okay, perfect. I'm going to move it a little bit like this. So this is the scene we want. It's the scene when he puts the apple in here. Okay, perfect. Okay, he's explaining too much. Perfect, till here. So you can see that this video comes with an audio. I'm going to remove this audio. I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so until there, I'm going to divide my video over two like this. And I'm going to move it in here, and I'm going to keep that for later. So before proceeding, I'm going to change my project file size, my video size, so it would be like the requirements of Facebook. I'm going in here to project settings, and I'm going to pick 1200 by 628, and I'm going to click on apply. Perfect. So now I'm working within Facebook dimensions. I'm going in here to this video. I'm going to minimize a little bit Well, I first want to remove the logo of the screen press, so the software I have used to record this video, and I want to zoom in a little bit on this video, so I'm going in here to crop the video like this, and I'm going to make it a little bit larger. Perfect. So now I'm going to remove the audio of this video. You go in here, you click on right click, edit audio, you simply scroll the audio down like this. Okay, now you go to the second video in here, and I'm going also to crop this video, but first let me see it, let me see all of it. It's fine, it doesn't need to be cropped, so I'm going to keep it like this, and I'm going to remove the audio. If there is audio, there is no audio, and I'm going to the third video in here, and I'm going to remove the audio first, and I'm going to make it fit within my boundaries. So this is perfect. So now I have the videos of my first step, but I'm going to make this video a little bit smaller because it's very slow, it's running slow, and it's boring. It's taking too much time. So to make this video run faster, I'm going in here to visual effect. I'm going to clip speed and going to drag this effect like this in here, and here I'm going to clip speed, and I'm going to put, for example, 2. Maybe I can put even 2.5.